Hey everyone, finally I'm recording a new video. It's been probably more than 3 months now that I haven't taken the time to record at least one video. And so the last video was probably in December. And yeah, I want to be honest with you and share with you the reasons what actually happened. So what I noticed in the end of the year is that there were a lot of projects going on parallel, and this made it very difficult for me to manage my time effectively. And I got the impression that there has never been enough time to actually complete all the tasks that I had on the to-do list. And it seemed like client projects, of course, were at that moment the priority. So it didn't leave me the time to actually record a new video. And of course, I thought about ways how I can improve this, how I can better manage my time and be able to frequently record videos, because this is what I actually want to do. And I hope from now on I will be able to at least publish one video per week again. Let's see how it goes. I really want to focus on also creating some tutorials about the way I work and the process that it takes to improve design skills and also to build better websites. So I'm looking forward to the next upcoming weeks and months. And if you have any recommendations, what kind of subjects you would like me to talk about or maybe teach about, let me know in the comments, and talk to you soon. Bye.